Alright, so I'm out here with the Arrma Kraton 6S V6, and I just turned the LVC down because the factory setting was on 7, and I also upped the punch to a level 8. I didn't put it on 9 yet because my first run. Have not tried this thing out. Suspension. Yeah, the steering is way better than the V5. It just handles completely different. It's a whole different animal. Oh yeah. It's a whole different animal. Huh? It's the same size as my V5. It's just this is the new version that just came out. There we go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, okay. We'll do a standing backflip in the... Oh no, not in the grass. Probably not on the road either. I didn't want to get it dirty. But... Oh! No! Well, we're on the roof. We're on the roof. Oh, it's all right. That's okay. It's why they built these things. Why they built these things. Oh, I almost had it. I almost had it. Kamikaze RC. I almost had it. That would have been cool. Jesus Christ. That thing makes my heart pump. That thing is fast, man. This thing is a beast. Ah. On wheels. Yes. I know. That's what I want to do. That suspension is plush. Man, that suspension.